Welcome to our tutorial on how to see who liked your Instagram post on PC with the new update. If you've been wondering how to check your post's likes on your computer, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in and walk through the simple steps to view your Instagram likes on PC. First, open your web browser and head to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Instagram homepage, look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your profile page, where you can see all your posts. Now, scroll through your profile until you find the specific post you want to check. It could be a photo or a video. It doesn't matter. When you've found it, click on the post to open it up. You'll see your post in more detail, along with any comments and likes it has received. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the likes count, usually displayed right below your post. It might say something like, liked by username and others, or just show a number of likes. Click on this likes count, and voila. A new window will pop up, showing you a list of all the people who have liked your post. You can scroll through this list to see everyone who's enjoyed your content. It's a great way to keep track of your engagement and see which of your followers are interacting with your posts the most. And there you have it. It's that simple to check who's liked your Instagram posts on PC. This feature is particularly useful if you're managing your Instagram account for business or just prefer the larger screen of your computer. Remember, Instagram is always updating its features, so make sure you're using the latest version of the website for the best experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media tips and tricks.